Hello, bhai. Today topic Tobin Q ratio. So Tobin Q ratio as a investor help करता है companies overvalued or undervalued. So Tobin Q. So Tobin Q ratio. Tobin Q. Tobin Q ratio helps to identify the stock is overvalued or undervalued. So overvalue or undervalued. Overvalued or undervalued. So टोबिन क्यू डिस्कवर किया प्रोफेसर जेम्स टोबिन क्यू जेम्स टोबिन सो जेम्स टोबिन डिस्कवर टोबिन क्यू जेम्स टोबिन ए नोबेल प्राइज winning so टोबिन सर ने फॉर्मूला दिया so formula of Tobin formula Tobin Q formula Tobin Q market value of the company market value of the company divided by replacement cost of its asset replacement cost of its asset so understanding the component what is market value of the company and replacement cost of its asset so understanding market price is basically current share price multiplication number of outstanding share market price is equal to current share price multiplication number of outstanding share. Next, replacement cost of asset is equal to plant machinery equipment so market price current price multiplication number of outstanding share so as an example company market cap 3 lakh crore so company market capitalization 3 lakh crore market capitalization 3 lakh crore total asset 50 crore total liability 30 crore So total asset 50 crore and total liability 30 crore. Net asset value 50 minus 3, 20,000 crore. So 20,000 crore. So Tobin Q formula: market value of company here 3 lakh crore divided by Tobin replacement of asset 20,000 crore is equal to 15% is higher. So Tobin Q is lower is best. So lower Tobin Q ratio is better for company. So if interpretation Tobin Q below 1, overvalued or strongly intangible. Tobin Q 1. Next, Tobin Q 1 fairly valued. And Tobin Q 1 undervalued. So interpretation of Tobin Q ratio. Next, a high Tobin Q company overvalued. A high overvalued, low undervalued. So Tobin Q over the higher value, low undervalued. Basically, Tobin Q formula, Tobin Q ratio here limitation. It's help manufacturing company, not financial or bank company, and it is hard to calculate. So limitation. So मेरा टॉपिक Tobin Q